I'm going to pull the fire alarm.
Hey, Paige, what are you doing?
I was trying to pull the fire alarm.
Paige, how could you try to pull the fire alarm? That's it, come with me.
Lincoln, what are you and Paige doing here? The school is already over.
Well, Mr. Bolofnor, Paige was trying to pull the fire alarm. I stopped her.
Thanks for telling me. You may go now.
Which we are.
Lincoln, amazing job for stopping Paige from pulling the fire alarm. That's it, you are ungrounded forever.
As a reward, we will go to Popeyes this weekend.
Yeah 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 yeah.